Speak softly, love, and hold me warm against your heart. I feel your words, the tender trembling moments start. We're in a world our very own, sharing a love that only few have ever known. Wine-colored days warmed by the sun, deep velvet nights when we are one. Speak softly, love, so no one hears us but the sky. The vows of love we make will live until we die. My life is yours, and all because you came into my life with love so softly.